Welcome back, folks. Today, we've got something special for all you grill masters out there.
We're diving into the world of barbecue thermometers, and I can confidently say, we've found the best of the best.
I'm your host, and this is Product Critique. Feast your eyes on the Tel Tru BQ300 barbecue thermometer.
This bad boy is the epitome of precision and durability.
Let's break it down. First off, installation.
Ever had a headache setting up a thermometer? Not with the Tel Tru BQ300. It's as easy as pie, with a 1/2 NPT that snugly fits into a 7/8 drill hole.
Plus, it's made right here in the USA, so you know you're getting quality craftsmanship. Now, let's talk construction.
This thing is built like a tank.
Stainless steel heavy-duty construction ensures longevity, even in the harshest of grilling environments.
And that glow dial? It's not just for show.
It ensures easy readability even in low light conditions.
And the best part? You won't have to break the bank to get your hands on one.
At just $73.16, it's a steal for the quality you're getting. Plus, with Amazon's lightning-fast shipping, you'll be grilling with precision in no time. So there you have it, folks.
The Tel Tru BQ300 barbecue thermometer, the undisputed champion of temperature gauges.
Whether you're a backyard barbecue enthusiast or a seasoned pitmaster,
this is the tool you need in your arsenal.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy grilling!